Welcome to Into the Wild Zoo Tours, where I, someone with special needs, shares my love of animals. Before we begin, I would like for you guys to consider liking and subscribing for more adventures. Today, for the first time, we are headed to the Pittsburgh Zoo to check out the World of Discovery building. The World of Discovery building has a lot to offer, including what I think is the best kept secret at the Pittsburgh Zoo. The first animal can even be seen outside. Meet the meerkat. Meerkats are related to mongooses. Meerkats are very social animals, and they live in groups called mobs, just like kangaroos. But unlike kangaroos, meerkats dig complicated burrows underground. A meerkat burrow can have 5 or more chambers. Meerkats can be quite fierce, and they can even eat venomous scorpions. Meerkats dig things called portholes through the foraging area where they can hide in case of an emergency. But if they're caught in the open with a predator nearby, the meerkat will try to look fierce by laying on their back and showing their teeth and claws. This one was very friendly. I love meerkats. Under this very cool water tunnel, we can see African cichlids. Most cichlid species are found in 3 African lakes: Lake Tinaka, Lake Victoria, and Lake Malali. Living with the African cichlids, it's a brown bullhead. Just like at a catfish, brown bullheads are bottom eaters, and they eat insects, algae, and crustaceans, using their long barbers to look for food. Our first reptile of the building is the neotropical rattlesnake. Neotropical rattlesnakes can be found in parts of South America and can grow up to be more than 5 feet long. Let's learn about another rattlesnake, this time the western diamondback rattlesnake. Their nickname is the coon-tail rattlesnake, due to the resemblance of a raccoon's tail. Western diamondback rattlesnakes give birth to live young, and they give birth to 4 to 23 at a time. The next animal we'll see is the Mexican beaded lizard. These reptiles are found in thorn scrubs and deciduous forests of the western coast of Mexico and continuing south to Guatemala. Mexican beaded lizards make their homes in old animal burrows. So what's the difference between a Mexican beaded lizard and a Gila monster? Well, Mexican beaded lizards are much larger than Gila monsters, and they live in Mexico, while Gila monsters mostly live in the Sonoran Desert in Arizona. Mexican beaded lizards are venomous, just like Gila monsters. Their venom is used mainly as a defense. Before biting, the lizard will back away and display an intimidating warning gap and hiss, but they very rarely bite. Now let's go see what I think is the best kept secret at the Pittsburgh Zoo. The Pittsburgh Zoo is home to a colony of Jamaican fruit bats. People think bats drink blood, but only vampire bats drink blood. But that's livestock, not people. Jamaican fruit bats eat fruit, nectar, and insects. Jamaican fruit bats range from central Mexico, Brazil, Bahamas, and even Key West, Florida. Just like dolphins and other animals, bats use the echolocation to find their food. Living with the bats in the Batcave exhibit is tarantulas. Meet the green bottle blue tarantula. These guys can be found in Venezuela. People think tarantula's venom is fatal, but it has the same potency as a bee sting. Let's learn about another tarantula, Suroku Island blue baboon tarantula. This island is off the coast of Yemen. They feed their hatchlings, which is unusual for a tarantula. The next reptile is the northern copperhead. Unlike other venomous snakes, copperheads usually bite without a warning. But fatalities are rare. The next snake is another rattlesnake, the prairie rattlesnake. Prairie rattlesnakes live in a variety of habitats, from prairies to wooded mountains, and they often make their home in old prairie dog tunnels after the prairie dogs have left or have been eaten. Prairie rattlesnakes' tan or gray colors help the snake blend into grassy landscapes. And now wrap up our tour of Worlds of Discovery at the Pittsburgh Zoo. I hope you all enjoy. We still have plenty more adventures at the Pittsburgh Zoo, including the tropical rainforest and water's edge. Until next time, please be kind to people with disabilities and always love animals.